This is how to buy a voucher using the Capitec app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. You may just need to look for the same options as we go through it. First, open the Capitec app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap Transact. From here, scroll down and tap Buy Vouchers. You will now see a list of available voucher options such as airtime, data, electricity, gaming, streaming, and other digital vouchers. Select the type of voucher you want to buy. Next, choose the amount. Some vouchers will give you fixed options and others may allow you to enter your own amount. After that, confirm that the account shown under From is correct. Then tap Buy to continue. Review the details carefully, and if everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Once the payment is successful, your voucher PIN or details will be generated and saved under View History, where you can access it anytime. And that's it. That's how you buy a voucher using the Capitec app. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.